about a great king in the eastern part of the world searching for death. He has tried taking his own life a couple of times, but it's just not working. And history has it that he has lived for so many years that he can't even remember them. I thought he died already. But I just found out he is still alive. Somewhere in Africa, Nigeria to be precise, in a small village called Ayo Olaiya.
Bàbárí tágìrì awo owó.
Nígbà tí à ń gbàdúrà lọ, mo dẹ̀ rí agbára kan tó mú rìmọ́ọ̀tì dání. Pra! A dẹ̀ pé ayé yín fún mi. Mo ní kó fún mi ní 664.
Mọ̀ láàánú lójú o. Ẹ rí pò mi tí mo wà báyìí. Ẹ ní à ń fún ẹ̀yin ní ọmọ kẹ́ mọ́ mú lọ. Ẹ dákun tẹ́ ní ọmọ ọrùn èmi lọ́wọ́ nulẹ̀.
Bóyá mi ní kí n mọ́ bá roka.
I see things. Believe me.
Maybe you're seeing something else. Méjì lọ́lọ́run dáyàn.
This is not a méjì thing. She looks like me. Over anywhere. That's why you want us secret. Bring it on. Just
Do you think I'm a witch?